Hi, I'm often asked about the data marketplace. Now, data marketplace as a concept is very interesting because it talks about Amazon of a data. Imagine you are creating an analytical report for revenue analytics, and for which you are required to get data from varied sources. Traditionally, all the sources you will search them in a catalog, get your confidence onto it by looking into the lineage, pick those components that you're interested in, pick those objects as tables, put that data into some landing zone, create one data hub, call it in Medallion architecture, call it a gold layer for that matter, and then massage that from in the silver layer to create that table view or whatever you want to call it as source for your business analytics. This is minimum 8 weeks of affair. Now imagine this again with a product like DataMarket, where you can create a heterogeneous, curated, cognitive data product for business. It goes and get the data that you're interested in via NLP prompts, extract that data from multiple sources, and put that into a data product for you. And you can do that by virtualizing the data or caching the data based on your use case. Once it is done, the data product is created. There's a AI data quality that runs on top of it, profiling that runs on top of it, and it's made available for consumers to consume. Now, the only thing that producer is worried about is that who's going to consume my data, how they're going to use it, and will they lose control of the data consumption? Will it go into the hands we're not supposed to go to? Will the people will have more access than the producer wanted to offer? That is where the governance layer come into play, where we have role-based access control, policy-based access control, attribute-based access control, automatic classification tags, dynamic data masking, row-level security that gives you an absolute confidence that only and only if the subscription request is been approved by the producer, the consumer is going to get their hands and fingers onto it. And after that data has been consumed and put that for a downstream consumption, that again is based on the governance parameter which has already been created. To know more, please feel free to reach out at getrightdata.com. Thank you.